Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I took an old damaged table and turned it into a stunning piece of furniture using epoxy and a beautiful design. To get started, I sanded down the surface of the table to give it a better grip for the epoxy. Then, I wiped away all the dust and mixed up a small amount of epoxy with jet black pigment. I spread it evenly across the surface and left it overnight to dry. The next day, I sanded it down again to give a key for the next coat to help it stick to the first one. After removing the dust, I taped around the edges 2 times to create a barrier to hold in the epoxy until it was a bit less runny. For the top coat, I mixed up the epoxy with a metallic effect pigment powder in graphite black. I also kept a little bit of epoxy to the side to mix up some white and blue for later to create a stunning blue marble effect. Once I had the epoxy all mixed up, I poured it onto the table and spread it evenly across the surface. Then, I took the white and spread lines across where I wanted the pattern to go, followed by the blue. The fun part was using a hairdryer to mix the colors together and create a beautiful, unique design. After letting it sit for 4 hours to thicken up, I removed the tape from the sides and let the epoxy run down with the help of a paintbrush while removing any drips. The next day, I polished it to a very high shine using NW1 fast cutting compound and finished it off with Top Finish 2 for an even higher gloss shine. And there you have it, a stunning table resurfaced with epoxy and a unique design. I hope you enjoyed watching this project come to life, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects like this one. Thanks for watching.